I just learned about this brand new money-making method today, and I'd like to share it with you directly so that I can assist you in your online money-making journey. It's really exciting to learn that you can now make money just by using your mobile phones, which is why I'll be providing you with these apps that you can download and use on your smartphones or any mobile device to make money. Imagine being able to sleep for most of the day and then being swapped with alerts of payment to your account when you wake up. Isn't that the objective in life? To make money by working for a few hours and then resting the rest of the day? I just want to emphasize that this method does not require any kind of expertise or technical skills. You won't need a large social media following or any engagement, and you won't have to sell anything to anyone. All you have to do is tap a few buttons and swipe some screens on your mobile device. The best part is that it's available worldwide, so anyone with a mobile device can use the apps I'll be showing you. Make sure to watch until the end of this video to know this brand new method in making money online. Now, before we go on to the money-making websites, we should make sure that we have our own PayPal accounts. This will help to ease the flow, since once we have our PayPal accounts, the funds will come in slowly and without difficulty. With that, I want you to go to paypal.com and sign up for a free account on their homepage by clicking on this button. After that, you provide them with the necessary details in order to successfully create your account. By the way, make sure to input your personal and correct email address because they will send you a verification email to ensure that you are a legitimate person attempting to register for a PayPal account. With that out of the way, let's go to moocash.com, which has a pretty interesting name, right? Basically, what this site does is provide its users with a variety of advertisements that they can profit from. So all you have to do as a user is tap a few buttons and swipe the day away. I'm still amazed that this method exists. I mean, it's as simple as swiping pages and tapping buttons. It may sound unbelievable, but it's true. Now, in order to maximize this platform, I'm going to give you this one tip for earning more than what is expected. It works like this. If you have a couple of extra devices to use, you can earn from them, and if you install the application on these extra devices. The more devices you have, the more money you'll make. You can even introduce this to your family and then let them join in on the fun, because all they have to do is swipe and tap a few buttons. Make it a family affair. I mean, the pay isn't that great, but if you work on it with a little effort, you'll soon accumulate a large sum. This software, by the way, is accessible for both Android and Apple phones, which is all the more incentive to give it a go. I mean, you won't be doing anything, but you will be making a decent amount of money. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. So moving on to the next platform, cashmagnetapp.com, which is literally a cash magnet, as I'll explain later. This application is quite a catch because you won't be doing anything with it other than downloading and registering on it. By the way, as I mentioned earlier, you'll need your PayPal account to get the pay for this method and application. You won't be doing anything on this app. We simply need to download it and open it every day in order to earn online money that you can withdraw directly using your PayPal account. The only disadvantage of this platform is that it is only available for Android users. You can check it out on the Play Store and download it right away. You can even play games on it while you wait for the money to be wired to you. What I mean is that they will pay you to do nothing on their app. You can play games or simply view and navigate their app. This app does not and will not pay you a lot of money because, as you may know, you are not really doing anything to make money. You simply download it on your phone and check on it from time to time to review these apps. They will pay you a reasonable amount of doing nothing. Both of these apps are very effective in their own ways and will result in larger savings in the future. But remember, these apps may not pay much at first, but when you save it until you need it, it will be a large amount when the time comes. All you have to do is consistently and willingly to develop this income stream. I mean, what more can you ask for? You're literally doing nothing to make money, am I right? Whether you sleep, eat, exercise, or do anything else you want, you'll make money with these apps. Overall, these apps are great for beginners, but they're also a steal for those who have been on the online money-making industry for a while. Check them out and download them for yourself. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment it down below. See you in the next video.